Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series, question number 43. What is the theme of the World Economic Forum 2023 meeting? Options: Cooperation in a Fragmented World, Planet People Partnership, Inclusive and Sustainable Growth, Promotion of Regional Trade. So, before looking into the theme of this meeting, let's understand what is this World Economic Forum, where it is established, when it was established, and what is the main aim of these meetings. The World Economic Forum, WEF, is a Swiss non-profit organization that was established in 1971. The founder and the executive chairman is Klaus Schwab. The 53rd edition of the World Economic Forum kicks off in Davos, Switzerland. The meeting will continue from January 15th to January 20th. The meeting has happened between 15th to 20. The WF meeting provides a platform for global leaders to share their insights on the prevalent economic conditions across the globe and to discuss the challenges that the world is facing today. It is also an opportunity for leaders to discuss the future of the global economy. And the World Economic Forum also publishes four kinds of indices. Those are Global Competitiveness Index, Global Risk Report Index, and Global Gender Gap Report, and it also publishes Global Social Mobility Report. So that's it about this WEF. Coming to the theme of this World Economic Forum, it's cooperation in a fragmented world. So here is another question for you. Which union ministry launched the Soul of Steel Challenge? Here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.